Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. And so today we're gonna go over my income for last month. But before I start, I just wanna tell you guys that I made an Instagram, finally, yes, hooray. And a few of you have followed me on there already. I really appreciate it. So it's just a little more easier for me to get connected with you guys and even message you guys, because I feel like emailing is just daunting to me for some reason. It feels overwhelming, but just like DMing is just so much easier for me. All right, so last month, let's just get straight to it. I want to tell you guys that I made $7,600 just from loan signings. I think there might have been a few maybe $100 or like $50 that were like general notary work that I was doing when I was doing loan signings. So I don't count that because that just kind of goes into my Venmo account, which I need to for business purposes. But yes, let's just say 7,600. And with that, I did 48 signings. So let's just talk about how I got to that through my loan signings. I got most of my business from direct clients, and this is so funny because in the last few videos I was talking about how, I think it was last month's video, I was talking about how I just wanted to work more with my direct clients just because it's easier, and like I really spoke that into the universe, and that's exactly what I got, because a lot of my counter offers that I was doing to coast, I have not been getting, and I don't know if it's because people are taking the $75 fee, but every time I put in $100, a counter offer for $100, I just don't get it. And like I used to before, but like I'm like, okay, is the market changing? Do they not like me? Probably that too, but like I said, I'm not gonna take a sign for $75. That is way too low. So yeah, most of them were from direct clients, which I really appreciate. I'm just appreciating more. It's easier communication. But a lot of, actually, let me tell you that I feel like I became the preferred notary for notarized ink. They reach out to me, they call me or they text me before they put a signing out. And I don't know how this happened. I think they just liked the way it worked. And then, I don't know, we just had a good relationship, and I don't talk to just one person there. There's like a couple of them that will text me, and yeah, so they let me know. And then I kind of found that out because they would text and call me, and if I was busy already and I said no, then I would get a text message from like the SnapDocs, a notification saying, hey, this signing is available. And I knew, I was like, oh wow, like that, I feel great knowing that they reached out to me first. So and I was signing with them a lot. That's who I got most of my business from a signing service other than my direct client. That's how I got to 7,600 this month. All right, so let's go over what I said last month, what I said I was gonna do for the month of May. Business cards, I still haven't done that, but I really appreciate you guys telling me where to get business cards. That's been very helpful, so I still need to do that. What else did I say? Oh, I think I said that I was going to maintain my relationships with my direct clients, and I feel like I have. I feel like I'm getting a little more personal with them, having conversations with them when I'm dropping off documents, and not just like about the signings and things like that. And I also was like dropping off goodies. I actually finally met one of my clients that I've been signing with since like December. He was from a signing service, and then he reached out to me directly to sign with him directly. So it was really cool meeting him for the first time. And yeah, he wants to work with me more often, but he wants me to drop off docs to him, which is like 20-30 minutes for me, but he's obviously gonna pay me more, so I'm okay with that. And okay, so I also mentioned that I would reach out to other clients, you know, escrow, title, whatever, and I'm kind of just like coming to terms with the fact that I'm okay with where I am. And I know I had always been pushing like my $10,000, like that was my goal. And since reaching it, like you know, in retrospect, I'm okay with like where I am, like $7,000 a month, I'm happy with. I want to share with you guys that, you know, even though I've been posting about how much I make and all of that, like it's great, but I am really seeking a life balance. And that's kind of what I want to push to you guys, is that, you know, you can work a job like this. You know, I'm not living to work, I'm working to live. So with that being said, you know, like for example, you know, once I reached that 10K, I was happy. I was like, okay, this is fine. And then last month, like I made 7,600, and I'm very comfortable with that. Like I can live a good lifestyle, and with that, you know, I'm going to the gym more. I had so much time to go to the gym last month and I felt great. I'm going back to hot yoga, and yoga is like my form of like meditation and working out, and I just feel like my higher self when I'm doing yoga. So like things like that, and also like eating, like having time to make my meals, like, you know, the time and the effort into making something, being conscious about what I'm eating, and spending time with friends and family when needed. And, you know, I just feel like all those components of my life are being filled, and it makes me happy. And I feel like I'm finally in a place where I'm financially stable and all these other parts of my life are going well. With that being said, I think I want to focus a little more on YouTube, because that is another component of my life that needs to be fulfilled, which is my creativity. It's something that I always have strived for. That's kind of why I created this YouTube, because if I was doing loan signing, it's like, okay, I need something totally different just to keep me stimulated and my interest afloat. So I would like to share that message with you guys, and I think that's what most of my YouTube videos might be about. I don't know, like I know I'm going in the right direction, and I know most of you guys are here because you don't want to work a 9-to-5, you don't want a regular job. And I feel like I think the messages that I've been receiving through Instagram are they inspire me. Like you guys have told me that I inspire you, but you guys are inspiring me, and it makes me so happy to see like almost like a revolution of people not wanting to go back to work. And I'm all here for I love a revolution. Like I studied history, and like I'm like, yes, let's go. I love the underdogs, and I'm excited for you guys too. So yeah, I would like to focus more on YouTube and just help motivate you guys as well to get started on this journey, or, you know, do another job that will pay the bills too, while you get to focus on your creative efforts or whatever else you're interested in. And I guess my main goal is to have you guys work to live, not live to work. All right, that's clearly something I'm very passionate about. It makes me so happy. So also for this month of May, like what I'm going to do this month, my goals, obviously, like I said, focus on YouTube, and I got pre-approved for a car loan yesterday. I'm so excited. I worked so hard for this, like building my credit. I was kind of traumatized from my last car payment. It wasn't mine, but it was my mom's, and it was meant to be mine. And it just wasn't the right financial decision, especially at a young age. So I feel like I prepared myself for this moment, and I am gonna get a Lexus CT. I can post a picture here. And I decided to get this car because it's hybrid, really great gas mileage. I think 40 mpg city, 43 highway. It's compact. It's exactly what I wanted. I did want to be a little higher up, and that's why I kind of like wanted a Tesla or something, but I'm fine with this. I'm just probably they discontinued the car in like 2017, so like that's the newest car I could get, which I don't mind, because at that point it's already depreciated. Depreciation value is great, so I'm fine with that. And I've always wanted a Lexus, and this type of Lexuses go pretty far. Like my family has Lexuses that have like close to 300,000 miles. It's insane. So the maintenance on this I know won't be crazy. I know it's more than a Honda, which I currently drive, but I'm totally okay with that. Like it's gonna be fine. Also for the month of June, oh my god, I don't know if I've been saying May, like I feel like I'm still in May. For June, I also will be traveling, so I'll be out for about a week. So I have told some of my clients already, and they already know, and I've already gotten a lot of signings from my direct clients the first week of June. So I'm really happy to see like where this month takes me, and I'm just happy to take time off of work too. Like this is the type of stuff that I want you guys to do as well. Like I can just leave, go somewhere. Like I just planned a trip to New York last month out of nowhere because my friend's gonna be there, and I was like, yeah, I can go. Like if I had a job, like an office job, I would have to ask for work. I would be so anxious asking for that time off just to go to New York, and it's like I shouldn't feel guilty about taking time to myself. Like why? So Anyway, see, I keep getting really heated and passionate about that. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. So I know this video was about my income, but it's kind of just going into what I plan on doing with this channel and what I want to inspire you guys to do as well. So I hope that that resonated with you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. It really means a lot. Like, I think since I got my Instagram, I really feel the love, and I love talking to you guys. So just DM me if you have any questions, and I'd love to talk to you guys. Thank you. Bye.